The best performance holders are Shri Tiwari, Tanishka Hadgil, Devanshi Gupta. Shri Tiwari, Tanishka Hadgil and Devanshi Gupta. One by one, please step on the stage. One student, please, or one student at a time, because we need your photographs also. From class 5th, from last session, the efficiency holder students are Arman Tiwari, Chavi Singh Bagri and Shagun Vishkarma. You can stand in queue, students, you can stand in queue and one by one you can step forward. Arman Tiwari, he is already present in stage. Next is Chavi Singh Bagri and after that Shagun Vishkarma. Congratulations. चलिए, मैंने बार बार आप लोगों को नहीं परेशान किया। इसके बाद हमारा प्राइमरी सेक्शन का एफिशिएंसी अवार्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन खत्म होता है। अब तो एक बार जोरदार तालियों से अपने बच्चों को मोटिवेट कीजिए। थैंक यू once again. Congratulations to all the efficiency holder students from pre-primary and primary section. Keep it up. God bless you. And hereafter, I would like to call Ayushi ma'am to announce the names of best performers from. Students, please come on the stage one by one. From class 7th, Vedika Singh, Arunima Shukla, Ishita Saha, Ashutosh Kumar. Students, please stand in a queue and one by one come on the stage. Congratulations, students. From class 8, Subhansh Swarnakar, Suprashad Mishra, Astha Tiwari. I request from all of you, please put your hands together for these children to encourage them. From class 9, Hariom Gupta, Divyansh Swarnakar, Pranshu Devalia. Students, please come near the stage. Congratulations, students. Very well done. Now from class 10, Khushi Agrawal, Amit Kumar Gupta, Ruchir Jain, Madhu Singh and Kaustubh Anil Kumar. Students, come near the stage, please.
Congratulations, students. आप सभी से विनम्र अनुरोध है कि तालियों के साथ इन बच्चों का मनोबल बढ़ाइए। Congratulations, students. From class 10, Khushi Agrawal, Amit Kumar Gupta, Ruchir Jain, Madhu Singh, Kaustubh Anil Kumar. From class 11th, Arya Gupta, Hardik Sthapak, Shubham Pathak. Please come on the stage, students, one by one. These students are from class 11th, Maths and Bio sections. From class 11th, Commerce, Shubh Dwivedi, Omi Singhai, Chirag Sahu. Please put your hands together, everyone. Students, please come one by one on the stage. If the parents are present of the efficiency award holder students, I may request that please come on the stage. From class 12th, Maths, Bio and Maths sections, the names of the students are Arpit Tiwari, Ishu Chaturvedi, Shweta Tripathi. Students, please come one by one on the stage with your parents. From class 12th Commerce, Swati Agrawal, Shubham Shivhare, Sonanchal Gautam. Students, please come one by one on the stage. कृपया तालियों के साथ इन सभी बच्चों का उत्साहवर्धन करें।
मैं जा रहा भाभी को छोड़ने घर भैया के साथ।
Congratulations, students.
नहीं चाहिए कितना है?
143
143 ये है बहुत चलेगा। जरा बैटरी निकाल।
अभी नहीं
रखे रहोगे जेब में रखेंगे। मैं कार्ड बैग में डाले दे रहा हूँ 5
From class 12th Commerce, Swati Agrawal, Shubham Shivhare, Sonanchal Gautam.
लाना नहीं भाई।
मैं सबसे पहले महर्षि विद्या मंदिर की धरती को सादर प्रणाम करता हूं। इसके अलावा इस स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल, समस्त टीचर और समस्त कर्मचारियों को मैं कोटि कोटि बधाई देता हूं और हमारे सम्माननीय कमिश्नर संभाग के अधिकारी जो उन्होंने हमारे स्कूल के लिए अमूल्य समय दिया, इसके लिए मैं उनको कोटि कोटि प्रणाम करता हूं। और समस्त यहाँ के कर्मचारी, टीचर, प्रिंसिपल, उन्होंने जो मेहनत की, मैं उनको कोटि कोटि प्रणाम करता हूं और बच्चे की मेहनत का को भी बधाई देता हूं। इसके अलावा जो मैं सुना था आज वो सच हुआ, शिक्षा कभी बट नहीं सकती, लाख तरणियों के बाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. This means a lot for us.
कहाँ खड़ी है?
पता नहीं कहाँ खड़ी है।
कौन खड़ी किया?
LED।
Now, I am pleased to announce the names of those students who have been selected in IIT JEE in this year and become an other jewel of our crowned school. And their names are Arpit Tiwari, Harsh Singh, Swapnil Singh Bargai. Parents are requested to come and please receive the awards. Please put your hands together, everyone. Congratulations, students. कृपया तालियों के साथ हमारे सभी बच्चों का उत्साह बढ़ाइए। Now, I would like to request from Honorable and respected Commissioner Sir to bless our students with precious to proceed forward. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, Sharma welcomes you all on this auspicious day. Sushmita, have you seen Konark Temple?
No, Prachi. Have you seen?
Yeah, it's a magnificent architecture.
Where it is?
In Odisha, really famous for its culture and heritage. I saw a program there, a folk dance of Sambalpur.
What it is?
It's a folk dance, tribal dance, and this dance depicted the Sun Temple of Konark with ancient instruments, beautiful dresses, cultured people, a lot of things.
I wish to go there to see this beautiful dance.
No worries, Sushmita. Let's have here only.
Oh wow, can you please have?
Yes, so please welcome the students of Maharishi Vidya Mandir School of Class 9 who are going to perform the Sambalpuri folk dance.
The in-charge teachers of this dance are Reema ma'am, Poonima ma'am and Anuradha ma'am.
So please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Thank you.